Acts chapter 25. When 3 days don pass, Festus comot from Caesarea go Jerusalem. So the priest oga dem and all the big men among the Jew people come tell am wetin dem say Paul do. Dem beg am say make e give order say make dem bring Paul come Jerusalem back, because dem plan to attack and kill am for road. Then Festus answer,
Paul dey for Caesarea, and me myself go soon go there.
so e say,
Make your leaders follow me go there, and if this man do anything wey bad, make them accuse am.
Festus no stay reach 8 or 10 days when e go Caesarea, and the next day e sit down for the judgment seat come give order say make dem bring Paul come. When Paul reach there, the Jew people wey come from Jerusalem come stand round am. They accuse am say e commit sin wey dem no fit show. Paul defend himself say,
I no commit any offense against the Jew law or the temple or against Caesar.
because Festus wan make the Jew people happy, e come ask Paul.
You ready to go Jerusalem make I judge your case for them?
Paul answer,
I stand for Caesar judgment seat. Na here dem go judge my case. I no commit any offense to Jew people, and even you yourself, no. I no do bad, and I no commit any offense wey dem fit take kill me. I no dey try to run say make dem not kill me. But if everything wey dem talk against me no be true, nobody go fit carry me give dem. I say make dem carry my case go give Caesar.
Festus come say,
You don talk say make Caesar judge your case. So, na Caesar you go meet.
after some days, King Agrippa and Bernice go Caesarea go salute Festus. As dem dey there for many days, Festus come tell dem about Paul case, so that e go hear wetin dem go talk about the matter. So e call Agrippa come say,
One man dey for here wey Felix leave for prison. When I dey Jerusalem, the priest oga dem and the elders come tell me about am, say make I kill am. But I answer dem, Rome law no gree make dem condemn anybody wey e never face and defend himself before people wey dey accuse am. So after dem follow me come here, I come postpone the case. But the next day, I sit down for judgment seat, come order make dem bring the man come. When people wey dey accuse am stand up, dem no talk any bad thing against am as I been suspect. Instead, dem dey argue matter with am about how dem dey serve God, and one man wey dem dey call Jesus Christ wey don die, wey Paul say still dey alive. Because I no know how I go take judge the matter, I come ask am whether he go like go Jerusalem make dem judge am there. But Paul say make dem take am go Rome, so that Caesar go judge him case. So I come order say make dem keep am for prison until I go fit send am go meet Caesar.
Agrippa come tell Festus.
Me too go like hear from the man.
So Festus tell am.
You go hear from the man tomorrow.
So the next day, Agrippa and Bernice come dey make yanga enter the hall, with all the big men wey dey the town. After Festus don give order, dem come bring Paul. Then Festus say,
King Agrippa and all of una wey dey here with us, make una see this man wey the old Jew people dey beg me both for here and for Jerusalem say make I kill. But I come see say he no do anything wey go make dem kill am. And when he say he wan make the emperor judge him case, I agree say I go send am go meet Caesar. But I no know wetin I go write go give the emperor about am. So na him make me bring am come all of una and King Agrippa front, so that after una don question am finish, I go get something wey I go fit write. Because for my mind, e no dey right to send prisoner go court when you no write wetin dey do.